Hey, what is up everybody? My name is Rahul and in this video we'll be looking at a challenge called Floppy Bird from molecon beginner capture the flag competition. Now we've been given the link to the challenge along with the source code to it. So let's begin. So as you can see, it's just a simple game, more of like you get to see when the internet isn't working on Google Chrome. So let's just begin. So yeah, so if I hit the space bar, you'll see that this is similar to what we get to see in Google Chrome. If I hit Control Shift I and turn to the network tab and hit spacebar again, you'll see that certain requests are being made to this endpoint, which is the get token endpoint. We have a debugger, one of them, and the debugger gives us two JavaScript files. The first is game.js, the second is score.js. So game.js, as you can see, is typically for the game, but the score.js gives us some juicy information that we can use for our purpose. Now if you see here, there is a slash get token endpoint, which this website or web application was making request to, but it got blocked. As you can see, again this got blocked here. So let's just try to create this request using burp suit, and I think we should have them here. Even if it's not there, let's just send it to repeater and let's just say get token, and what this does is this gives you a token back. Cool. Now what you have in here is the update score. So what I'm guessing is once you get the token, which is here, what this will do is this will send a request to, or this will call the send update score function, and here is the send update score function. What it will do is it will call the update score, it will send a post request to it, the body will contain token and the score, and once you hit 1000 points you'll get the flag. At least this is what I thought initially, but let's just send a request to it. So we'll be sending a post request to, I think, update score. We'll be sending a post request to it, and as you can see, there is a content type application JSON, and there are two parts in it because this is a JSON. What we'll be doing is first of all it will be token, and the second thing will be a score. Let's just copy the token from here, paste it in here. Sorry about that. Let's just copy the token from here, paste it in here, and let's just say score to be 1000. Now it says invalid score was given, are you trying to hack me? Now there seems to be some backend validation being applied, which we'll see what it is once we have, or once we go through the source code. So this is the source code to the application, and here you'll see that there is a get request route. The second is an update score route, which accepts a post request, and as you can see there is a limiter.limit applied, which means that you cannot try to brute force in, or you cannot try to update your score using a brute force mechanism. So we'll get to it towards the later, but as of now this is what we're going to be looking at. So let's just forget about the if and else parts because they're just giving you errors. So here you'll see that there is a database core. So what it is doing essentially here is it is taking the token from the request, which is this token, and it is fetching the score for that particular token. Now this particular token, what I'm essentially guessing is every new token that is being generated will have a base score of 0. So every time a new token is being supplied, the database score will be 0. Okay, cool. Now it says client score is equal to database score plus 1, or the client score is equal to database score into 2, then it will update the score. So this is what we're going to be doing. So if I send 1, it'll say true, but if I send 4, you will see that it says invalid score was given. Are you trying to hack me? So either you increment it one by one, or what you can try to do is you can multiply the entire score by 2 and then increase it. So a better approach here would be, to script this out, but the CTF is about to be over in about 2 hours, so let's just try to send requests in multiples of 2's. 4 2's are 8. Then we have, I'm sorry about that, I think let's just set 4. Let's be sending 8. Let's just say 5. Let's just say 6. Let's just say 7. Let's just say 8, 9 and 10. Let's just say 20 because 10 to the 20, then 22 is a 40. So this is how you can send it. The reason I got 400 was because the final score was something else and I was trying to multiply with it for 4, but you get the point how you can get the how you can increment the score. So if you keep on doing this, what will end up happening is, in multiple of 2, if you keep on going it, what will essentially happen is you'll get the flag. So this is the flag that you can get. So thank you guys, this is it for the video.